Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Samsung SmartThings washer. And so with it, what we're first going to do is you want to go ahead and get your Tide soaps or any soap and place it inside here with your clothes. You can simply just throw it in there and it'll go ahead and dissolve alongside with your clothes. And so once you load your clothes, just go ahead and close it up. And then on the top left, if you do decide to use a liquid detergent or a fabric softener, this is where you could actually place your liquid detergent and fabric softener. Just make sure to follow the lines as far as the max put in is. And then afterwards, you want to go ahead and press the power button right over here. So it's just simple touchscreen power button. And with it, just simply hold it for a few seconds. And it's going to go ahead and turn on. And then you can turn this dial to kind of select the mode that you want to do. I normally just go ahead and run a normal mode, but they have different types of modes for different types of clothing. So usually normal mode does fine. And with it, you simply just start it and then it will go ahead and run. But there you have it, guys. If you guys know how to do this better, let me know in the comments down below.